While visiting friends and family who own cats, I came to the conclusion that they love the idea of a hammock, which you can hang on the radiator. But the problem is that they only can find ugly ones, like this. I started by throw away this ugly piece and start all over again. So I created the WOOZY. They challenged me to design a beautiful, strong and functional cat hammock that becomes part of your interior. First of all, the WOOZY comes in a small box and it's easy to assemble. Second, it fits on every radiator. It doesn't matter what size or shape it is. If you have no radiator, don't worry. You can easily flip the hooks and transform the WOOZY into standing position. Now you can place it everywhere. For me, quality is a very important aspect of the design. I use high quality beech for the frame, steel coated hooks, and the strong dirt resistant fabric is made of recycled polyester, ideal for the WOOZY. It's also easy to replace, so when the fabric is dirty, just throw it in the washing machine. After a lot of research, adjustments, testing and fine-tuning, I'm very excited about the WOOZY. I hope you are too. Please back this Kickstarter project so your cat can be one of the first in the world to enjoy the WOOZY.